powerbi.microsoft.com and click on Start Free. It takes you to this page. I like scrolling down to the download section. And then click on this button saying Power BI Desktop to download. It takes you to this page. I like clicking on this See Download or Language options before selecting to download. So it opens up this page. Now in this page, you can select the language options before downloading. Okay, so I'm selecting my language as English. Then I'll click download. Now it opens up this page asking you to select this download you want. So I'm going to select for 64 bits. You can select according to the size of your laptop. And then you click next. It's done downloading, so I'll just follow the instructions to set up the Power BI desktop. You click on next. You accept the terms in the agreement. Click on next. You click on next. You can click to create a desktop shortcut and then you click on install. So it's actually installing. Now it's done installing. I'll just click on finish to finish up the installation and launch the Microsoft Power BI desktop. Now this is our Power BI desktop. You can decide to sign in to publish your reports, or you can just click to get started. Before we start, please note that Power BI desktop updates its features frequently, and what you see on your screen may not always be the same with what is on my screen. Okay, so you don't need to sign in to use Power BI. You can use it for free. So I'm just going to close this and then we'll get started. Power BI is a Microsoft Business Intelligence product used for connecting, transforming, modeling, and visualizing data. And it includes both desktop and web-based applications. Our focus will be on Power BI desktop. Now, there are some settings we need to update under regional settings before we get started. We need to set the local for input to English United States. This is because the resource files we'll be using for this project were built using English settings. The dates are formatted as month, day, year, and period. If you're in an area with different regional settings, you might experience errors when you try to load the data. That is, if your system is looking for a different format of date. To do this, go up to the top, File, click on Options and Settings, go over to Options. Now, this preview features here are actually features Microsoft are checking before they finally roll them out. So please make sure all the boxes under preview features are unchecked. Okay, then we'll go over to regional settings and then select our language to be English United States. And then we'll click OK. Now, when you open up the Power BI desktop, it looks like this. We will dive into each of these menus and options as we move through the project. But what is really important now is this set of 3 icons here on the left side of the screen. They represent the entire Power BI space. This is the Reports tab, which is used for building visualization. This is the Data tab, and the third one is the Model tab. Now, walking through each of these tabs. The Reports tab is used for building visuals. You cannot build visuals outside this border. The next tab is the Data tab, where you can see the rows and columns of your data. The third tab is the Model tab, where we'll build our model and create relationships. The next thing we will do is to get data, and we will learn that in the next task. Congratulations on completing the first task. So in this task, you learned how to install the Power BI desktop. In the next task, we'll learn how to get and connect data.